Hello React developers, this is the day the Lord has made. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to be able to identify React errors and also how to fix them. To be able to fix or identify a React error, you first need to understand the error you are facing. So before we move straight to the points we've listed down for today, we first need to understand what type of error you are facing and where that error is coming from. Before we move ahead giving it to AI to be able to generate the solutions to that, we first need to understand this type of errors. Jump straight to our points for today. The first point on my list is reading or taking good look at the error message. This means that React produces detailed error message in the console. Let's take a look at this example. Let's look at this type error that says type error could not read properties of undefined into brackets reading map. This error is trying to tell you that you are trying to use a map on an undefined variable. So let's look at how to be able to fix this. To be able to fix this type of error, you need to check if the variable exists before using the map. Second point is using React Developers Tools. In my previous videos, I spoke about how to be able to install React Developers Tools in your project. So I'll be leaving that link in the comment section. You can check that out. It's also really a good practice for you to be able to install React Developers Tools in your project so you can be able to identify some specific errors in your console. The third point is debugging with console.log. Using the console.log, it helps you confirm if the data exists before rendering. Fourth point is using error boundaries for checking component errors. In my previous videos, I spoke about how to be able to implement error boundaries in your app. Error boundaries is really a good practice for you to implement in your app. It helps your app from breaking down. I'll leave the link to that in the comment section so you can check that out. Follow me for more React tips. Happy hacking.